This is the control panel. This too could all be come off as one section. You've got a circulation fan 1, circulation 2, your exhaust, and this is the gas blower. It's dually fused. You've got a stop and start switch here. You've also got one here. This is your 480 main. This is something separate. This is for a mixer that I use. So it's just these boxes here, and here's your 110 and 220. This is the dispensing of the vinyl. It's gravity fed. I have got 4 legs down there with valves on it that pour it on the vinyl. Got a metering bar which meters my thickness. Then you stand over here and we just reach over and grab the grayish goods, put them down the ramp slowly while someone paddles on that end. This is the drop down where I drop my yarn or fabric, the grayish goods if you will, into the vinyl. Now I've added these 2 natural gas infra heaters to warm up stiff product when you slide it down. That really helps. Under the belt, just over here, I have 4 Kelrod bars to get bottom heat out of this oven. With those bars, I've added these light bulbs that remind me that the heat is on underneath. We can get a light in there. You can see the burner in there. Can we get a good view of it? Very good shape. These are the housings here for the fans that remove it from the combustion chamber down the side of the oven and direct that heat where you want it. Again, these panels, there's one on each side, so it's very easy to service this. This oven was built by Wesco in 1991. Over here we have the exhaust that exhausts the oven, and outside it's just a power driven exhaust. And then over here is where we're drawing it out of the oven. This is the gas supply to the oven. It's natural gas. We've got the gas pressure switches, a Honeywell power gas valve, 2 of those, and 2 pressure switches. Then we feed it down. The natural gas goes down into the burner. The burner is a Maxon Model 400 with electronic ignition. Then we have the blower motor. We've got the 2 squirrel cage fan motors. These are 230 or 460. They can run in either one. This is your power supply. We've got 480 here. And then we've also got 120 and 240. All of your supplies are fed here to the oven. On the top, there's a service door. This shows the heat exchangers for your top heat. They're tubular with a slice on the bottom, blowing at bottom. They're all steel construction. You can get a good look at the frame there, I hope, showing how well constructed it is. Now each one of these heat exchangers, it's a module design. Each one is 6 foot in length and then approximately 8 foot wide. So they come out in pieces, but the units are 6 foot inserts or heat exchangers. we've got a total of 5 heat exchangers. Each one of these heat exchangers is a 6-foot section. There's a total of 5 of those, giving us the 30-foot box oven. The lower heat, we've got square tubular distribution, and we've got steel on top with the holes to dispense the warm air. The top heat is a tubular style with a groove going down the length of the tube. And again, each one of these modulars is a 6-foot piece. The embossing drum for foam, it's the lineal pattern, and I have Kelrod bars here that preheat that to warm it up so you can emboss it. The drum could be water cooled. I haven't had the need to do that, but you could shoot water in this tube.